excited to be here at the JC Home Store in Winnetka, and when we were filming our market update last week, the designer that we work with over in the Northbrook Licht store had said, well, you got to come over and meet with Zach, because Zach Pruitt, he is the director of in-home design, and they have this brand new store set up. And so Zach, thanks for having us and showing us around today.
Yeah, thanks for stopping in.
Yeah. So tell us about the concept here.
Yeah, so our concept for JC Licht Home was to take a lot of the services that we do that people don't necessarily know that we do and really bring that to the forefront. JC Licht, we've been in the Chicago area since 1907, and we're known as a paint store. But there's a lot of other things we can do as far as window treatments, custom draperies, upholstery, fabrics, wall coverings. We do color consulting. So this is a space to really showcase all the design work that we do. It's strictly a design showroom.
So what do we have here?
Yeah, so behind us is our wallpaper wing section. We've gone through, and some of the top vendors that we work with, we have some of their patterns on display. We'll have anything from a really timeless grass cloth and texture to something that's a little more traditional, transitional. And just showcasing all the different things you can see, and it's nice where you can touch and feel and actually see it on a large scale.
See it in a large thing instead of in a catalog with you don't have the dimension, especially if it's got some texture to it.
Yeah.
And some color. I love this. And so what kind of design trends are you seeing for 2023?
Yeah, so we are really starting to see a pullback a little bit from the grays, the cold grays. Things are definitely moving back towards that warm spectrum. Everybody says trends, what was old comes around again. So we're starting to see that shift to warmer off-whites, some of the beiges, that family. And then also people wanting to take a little bit of a risk in doing some deeper colors, brighter colors, and doing a big pop in, let's say, the powder room or the dining room or ceiling.
Yeah, I noticed that the color of 2023 is the raspberry, so I talked to Linda, we're gonna do that in our bathroom, and she says, are you sure? I said, yeah, it's just one, it's like just one side. She said, it's a lot of raspberry, but I'm a raspberry girl too, and it's just not a very big space.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And those are the spaces, I feel like it's the best space to use that pop. I call them pass-through spaces. You don't spend a lot of time in there, so make it dramatic or bold and make it a jewel box sort of thing.
Jewel box, oh, I like that. Pass-through. I could use that term too. Okay, so Zach, share with us one of your favorite design hacks.
I think my all-time favorite it really is working with wallpaper. You don't have to wallpaper a whole room to make a big impact. It could be the back of a bookcase. It could be a little niche. It could be on the ceiling. I had some pretty inexpensive IKEA bookcases that I just put a peel and stick wall covering in the back to add that little extra bit of texture that you might not get. So
great. Would you show us around a little bit through the store?
Yeah. So we already saw our wallpaper section. And with a lot of these, we have samples of here in the store, or can order samples in for everybody, so we get them really quick. So you can actually take them home, see them in the space. We have a huge area of all of our hanging fabrics. We can handle anything from reupholstery, custom draperies, soft shades, custom bedding, throw pillows, like the whole gamut. We really are able to assist with. So this is all new for us. We have 4 big islands of workspaces that are filled with wallpaper books, fabric books, window treatment books, trims. So we really can kind of tie all of those things together. And then on this far wall, we'll walk over to the opposite side.
Can you tell I'm like a kid in a candy store?
Is all of our window treatments. So we have our roller shades, soft Roman shades, natural woven woods. One thing that's really exciting with this space is we've partnered with a couple of vendors to have some exclusive products here. One of them is Conrad. They are a high-end woven wood line. But what's nice is these are all woven to fit the size of your window. So all the edges are finished. You can customize the density of the weave. It's a really great product that you can only get through us. So that's really exciting. And then we have all of our Hunter Douglas window treatments. Most everybody's familiar with Hunter Douglas. And then it kind of just circles, you know, all the way back to the back.
I love your waterfall islands.
Yeah, it just, you know, it finishes the edge off really nice. You see it in a lot of spaces. And, you know, again, that's one of the things here. We wanted to showcase some of the different things you can do with design. You know, we don't necessarily deal with countertops, but to show this is an element you can do. Our entryway and bathroom both have high gloss ceilings, so it gives you that really nice mirrored lacquered look that you don't always see everywhere.
So Zach, this is all wonderful. If somebody's ready to begin their project, how do they get in touch?
Yeah, so we're located at 73 Greenbay Road in Winnetka, so feel free to stop in and take a look around. You could also give us a call at 847-957-4663. We're here 9 to 5:30 Monday through Friday and 10 to 4 on Saturday and Sunday.
Well, you have a beautiful space. I'm excited to come back. Thank you.
Thanks.